Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are cooking up some real hot pepper prawns. So let's get started. For today's recipe, we have some Maggie fish and some Sazon Goya, which looks like this. We have some Old Bay, dried parsley, some all-purpose seasoning and paprika powder. We also have a Scotch bonnet pepper for the heat, and some garlic, spring onion, red food coloring, tomato puree, and some hot pepper sauce. We have some chili flakes, dried thyme, Maggie all-purpose, a knob of butter, and some extra large king prawns. I'm cooking around 20 prawns for this recipe. So I began by cleaning my prawns with lemon juice and salt and let that sit for 5 minutes. I did devein my prawns earlier and removed the majority of the whiskers off them. Once I rinsed the lemon juice and salt off my prawns, I began seasoning them with black pepper, my fish seasoning, and some all-purpose. I mixed this in and let that sit whilst I cut my Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic and spring onion. Okay, so to begin cooking, I'm adding around a teaspoon of oil to the pan and let that heat for a minute before adding my prawns. Right after, I went in with my chopped ingredients along with a knob of butter. Once your prawns are in the pan, you notice them start to change color. Like most seafood, prawns do cook quite quickly. About 3 minutes later, I went in with the rest of my seasonings. So my Maggie all-purpose, my paprika, Sazon seasoning, and the dried parsley. Then I added my Old Bay, my chili flakes, and the dried thyme. Next up, it's time to add the tomato paste, which contributes to the color but also gives the prawns a nice flavor too. Then I added my red food coloring. Adding food coloring is totally optional, by the way guys. The flavor is just the same with or without it. And then lastly, I'm adding my hot pepper sauce. I added a small amount of water to make some sauce and also to steam through the ingredients. You can add more or less water depending on how much sauce you would like with this recipe. I then turned off my flame after a minute and covered my pan and let it sit for 4 to 5 minutes before serving. And this, guys, is the end result once your pepper prawns is done. The food coloring and the tomato paste really gives the prawns that nice vibrant look. And the spice from the Scotch bonnet and the hot pepper sauce has just the right kick. We would love to hear of any feedback in the comments on this recipe. As always, guys, the ingredients are listed below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.